guys, so we are now on another little exploration. We're hitting a waterfall on the way to Aguadilla, where we're going to be canamming again throughout the area, whatever. We're meeting up with Tornito here. On the route we decided to stop. Wow, this is dope. That water is rushing. All right, people, I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get in the waterfall for y'all. I'm not gonna go all the way in, but I'm gonna go in. And the water's so cold. It's also pushing me. Oh, it's cold. There's a rock right here, so I can't really go too far in. All right. We'll go on the next one. We'll go underneath the next one. That one right there was it was cold. Waterfalls are awesome. The amount of waterfalls that you see here in Puerto Rico is just crazy, and it's just amazing. Something that you just cannot forget. Gladys tippy-toeing around rocks. You gotta love it. I literally walked right through there with no problem. Actually, tiptoe. She don't want to fall. There could be literally no rocks there, and she's like, "Oh no, I'm gonna fall." Ah, beautiful. We are gonna walk over to another waterfall, which is that way, and it's supposed to be even nicer than this one. They even have a tube tour that they go down the river. You see, they go all the way down the river on a tube. So many different adventures out here. So many different adventures. We still making our way to the other waterfall. All right, we made it to the waterfall. Normally there's a lot more water coming down from up there, from what I was told anyway, and what I've seen some videos that there was so much water that came all the way off there that you can actually go inside a little cave there and take video from the inside. And that was kind of what I was looking forward to doing, but it's not that much water coming down. So June Squad, we back at it again, and this time we got Miss Vimari with us today. We're back at it again, and estamos en Borinquen, ¿verdad?
Punta Borinquen, Aguadilla.
That's right.
Pero esta playa aquí se conoce como Peña Blanca.
Sí, exacto.
Peña Blanca.
Nice. So we hitting them trails, people. As you can see, it's going down again. Stay tuned. So no entry. We're still going in. Whoa. 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 Look at that. That's a long way down. Look at that. Wow. This is cool. It's like a dam, like a little dam. You see? That's a big rock. That's a big rock. This is an abandoned dam, I guess, or something. I don't even know if it's called a dam actually. So you got that stick holding that big rock up. See it? Let's explore. Oh, we got people coming down. Ooh, this is slippery. Ooh, that sounds crazy. Whoa. Look at all that water rushing through there. What is this, like a dam? This... Whoa. I don't know, I ain't going in there. Oh, so it is a dam. You see like the little door that opens up. That's crazy.
Esa era la planta antes para dar energía. El agua bajaba por aquí y aquí había para medir, coger la fuerza de agua y eso es lo que daba energía.
Ajá.
Eso ahí. ¿Sabes que la gente se tiran de ahí?
Ya
Agua,
lo.
se tiran de ahí. Está muy fuerte.
This is crazy. This is an abandoned. Whoa! Look at this. It's an abandoned. An abandoned. Can I step on this? Abandoned dam. Water reservoir or something like that you would call it. Crazy. Super crazy. Like, I'm a little nervous just standing on this rock because there's, God knows how strong that is. And then this is where you would crank it to open up the door. It's got grease on it, so it means that it's being used. It's being used.
Testament because this guy is driving. Oh Lord. Here we go. Guy here, this guy here. Watch the cow in the road. See, this is your fault.
Oh, we're gonna have to go in. We're going in. I got mud in my ears. I do. I got mud in my ears.
See, people, look where he's look where he's taking me through. All right, my dude, be gentle.
What you mean, be gentle? We in a Can-Am, isn't it? Aren't we supposed to go hard in the Can-Am, Antonito?
Dale, papi, ya.
¿Verdad?
Está hablando mucho.
Oh my God! Ready? All right, just go. Do it.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at me.
Eso es lo que quería Jung hace rato, enfangarse.
I did it.
People, look how he's got me. People, look at this. Oh,
Too much fun. Coño. I didn't know that was that deep. Look how thirsty. Hey. You look like you're having fun, babe. All right, I want to say that was a mission accomplished. We got her wet. Gladys got so nasty. She had to go jump in the water. Tolito, we got this thing muddy, boy. Look. I mean me.
Hay que aprovechar. Once we get it clean,
Yeah.
it's another.
Oh my.
Otros 10 pesos, otros 20 pesos.
Yo.
Ah, you can get it like that all you want.
Bro, that was fun. That was so much fun. I tell you, I want to buy one now, bro. I really want to buy one now.
Cabrón, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
4x4 se siente hijo de puta.
Yo.
Hace el trabajo, hace lo que tiene que hacer, en verdad.
You feel like you can go over anything, bro. Anything. And then you got scared, almost flipped it. No, I didn't flip it.
Acha, if you want doing donuts, let me get out and you can flip it. I don't care if you flip it, but let me get out.
No, I wasn't gonna flip it. I felt it kind of come up a little bit, but I was like, no, let me slow down.
You might get it to somewhere.
No, it was spinning the tires.
If you accelerate, it gets you out of the way in a difficult situation.
Yeah.
Like, you can feel it when you floor it. You can see.
We had to stay in like
Get you out of the way.
rear positive, that's it, right? Instead of doing a 4-track, doing donuts, we had to do the rear only, right?
Oh yeah, the rear it does, yeah.
Yeah.
The rear only, the 4x2.
Oh, bro, that was fun. Gracias. Torito has showed me an awesome 3 days, man. This has been great. Super
Nice.
fun, bro.
I just started doing this, so next time you come, I know a bunch of other places,
Yeah.
and we go and hit them up.
But you better be careful too, because you're a daredevil, bro. And
I'm gonna wear my helmet and everything, so we're good. And you seen today, I wasn't even trying to like doing nothing.
Nothing crazy?
Exactly.
Yeah, we were just gonna go up a rock, but they told them not to, but and then 4 tracks went up there like nothing. I was like, damn, maybe we should. But you know, until I don't see somebody else do it, then I'm like, no, we shouldn't do it. It might fall. We may go backwards. We may this, that, and the other. But to be honest, bro, this thing ain't going nowhere. It's going up that hill. It's gonna go up those rocks like nothing.
It did already. I already did.
Yeah, you already did it.
But I got the covers off.
I don't want you to break nothing either. You got a long ride back, so going up a rock and going down those rocks might have.
Yeah, I just bent tie rod end, and I just changed it. Did an upgrade with the Super 8 TV tie rod ends and the ball joints.
Oh,
I got
nice.
some Keller ball joints on it now. That's the upgrade. Right here, the Keller ball joints, and I got the inner and the outer tie rod ends brand new.
Nice. Nice.
So yeah, I'm not trying to flip it not today. Not
Not
today.
today, yeah, not today.
I got my helmet on. Nothing crazy.
How did it feel riding in the back?
Good. Yeah, the first time
Yeah,
I rode it on the back, and
it felt
look,
different
I didn't
though.
even get dirty.
I know
Everybody
you
got dirty.
I know, I'm a little jealous. I wanted everybody to get dirty, but only me and Gladys got soaked. We got so soaked. Gladys is still Gladys and Vimari out there trying to get cleaned up. I say mission accomplished, people. Mission accomplished. Yes. So it's grub time again here in Puerto Rico. We need to go get some food.
You got it out of your system?
Maybe.
Maybe.
You can truly never get this out of your system. You got to keep doing it every day, right, Tonito?
Okay.
She said if I got it out of my system, I said you can never get it out of your system. You got to always do it every day,
Oh yeah.
right? Un fiebre.
It has to become a way of living. Like
Yeah, it's a way of living now.
See,
Way of life.
now it's canam life.
Yeah, VRP, baby. I'm gonna have to go home and buy one now.
Oh Lord.
Yep.
Do you remember the motorbike?
The motorcycle bike, yeah, it was a 2-wheel. This is 4 wheels. She's trying to bring up old stuff, people. God.